Merciless. The flaming chalice unites our members in worship and symbolizes the spirit of our work. We extinguish this flame, but not the light of truth, the warmth of the community, or the fire of commitment. These we carry out in our hearts until we are together again.
You wait, little girl, on an empty stage for God to turn the light on. Your mind, little girl, is an empty page. The origins will write on.
We'll write on.
Good luck with that. You are theist, I am humanist. I think that you're naive. You have no proof to offer as truth. You simply say, I believe. New